I was incredibly saddened to hear about the tragic death of the gentleman, the serviceman, who died last night in the English Channel when the Mark IV Merlin helicopter had to be ditched. It was a three-man team, or three-person team, and the two other members of the crew were rescued and taken to hospital. During the training exercise, you don't always expect anything to happen, but things do happen. And this person risked his life, as all members of the Royal Navy and Armed Forces do every day by just showing up to work. I speak for more than myself, we are grateful. We are so thankful for all you do to keep everyone safe. And we know that you chose to go into this out of the goodness of your hearts and wanting to protect our country. I want to take this time to really ask that you take yourselves time to breathe. It's going to be a challenging time today, tomorrow, and for quite some time, as everything's researched and checked out and all the investigations are carried on. So take some time to allow yourselves to grieve. This is a bereavement. It's a bereavement of a friend and a bereavement of family, because you are within the Royal Navy, you are part of a big family. So while you get a chance, take time to remember. If you can, catch up, create a group, share pictures, obviously privately, and really honour the life that was shared with you all before his transition. Remember the times that you all had, because it's really important to honour the life and respect the person as they were when they were living. You're in my thoughts, you're in my prayers, and you're in my heart.